Hi, Pete here from HTG Supply. I'm here to unbox the AFS Advanced Full Spectrum 1830 LED grow light from AgroMax. Let's check it out. This is how you'd see it displayed in one of our HTG Supply stores. This is a very sturdy box. Nice packaging with a bunch of foam. This is for controlling it, a pigtail. Comes with the standard 120 volt plug. Comes with the set of rope ratchets as well. Good sturdy cable hangers. Comes with 6 bars and they'll have a quick connect bracket to it. You simply slide onto the unit, it clicks into place, and a little pigtail that you're able to just screw in. Let me put the rest of the unit together in high speed. All right, let's plug it in. As you can see, the AFS 1830 is equipped with soft start technology that slowly brings the light up to full power. The AFS 1830 stands for Advanced Full Spectrum with added red and blue chips including UV and IR for maximum plant growth and flowering. And the 1830 total micromoles this puts out. It has excellent fit and finish. It's a 3x3 fixture, 720 watts and 2.5 micromoles per watt. All right, my first impressions of the AFS 1830 is that it's a very sturdy, well-built unit. I really like the quick connect brackets, easy to put together. What's really cool is the onboard dimming function as well. You can get it from 25, 50, 75 to all the way full output. And of course, you get the optional controller separately. You know, these are top-end Samsung chips. Really doesn't get any better than that. I really like that it's a fanless design, that it's water resistant, just an attractive, solid fixture. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the AgroMax AFS 1830 Advanced Full Spectrum Grow Light. Please visit the link below to view the AFS 1830 on our site. And don't forget to leave us your questions and comments. We want to hear from you. Visit hdsupply.com/information center or check out our YouTube station or our Instagram TV channels for more videos about growing indoors in the industry's best gear. Thanks for watching.